Hello, and welcome to another episode of Maxim with Paul. And today, I'm excited to bring you Poetic's Guardian Case for the iPhone 13. Let's take a look at it. In case this is your first time visiting the channel, welcome, and let me introduce you to Poetic, a company that does not spend money on frivolous things, as you can tell by their packaging. No glossy pictures here, no metallic font is gonna catch your eye, no metallic clasps to make the whole experience a lot nicer, just a plain regular box. But let me show you everything you need is right here. Whatever money Poetic doesn't spend on marketing and all that good stuff, they pass those savings on to you and they put that towards their product. What do I mean by that? You can find this case that I'm about to show you on their website for only $18.95. And for only $2 more, you can go ahead and choose your color between blue, green, pink, purple, and orange, right? So let's go ahead and begin. Usually, I'm a huge fan of Guardian cases because they have a clear back. And with iPhone lately, not just lately, but for the most part, iPhone tends to have a really nice color. And with these clear cases, you're going to be able to definitely appreciate the color. I'm a huge fan of the Guardian cases as they are a clear back and it allows you to enjoy the beauty of your phone. With the iPhone 13 in particular, with this beautiful deep blue color, you're going to be able to enjoy it all day and not have your case obstructing the look of your phone, right? So let's go ahead and get that peel action for you guys. And let's go ahead and remove this other plastic. If I can get to it. Okay. And we're gonna pop this open. Remove this. One more plastic to remove. So that money that Poetic doesn't spend on that marketing, on that advertisement, you guys can see that we can get a polycarbonate screen protector built in right into this case. So this is gonna be a one-stop shop. This is gonna have your iPhone protected from the day you first get your case. So you're not gonna have to be running around looking for an aftermarket screen protector. You're not gonna have to be worried about the screen of your iPhone being left out to be scratched or to get damaged or have anything happen to it, right? So this is gonna be a clear polycarbonate back with a thermoplastic polyurethane corners and sides, as well as our screen protector is gonna be a clear polycarbonate screen protector. And we can see that our camera, our infrared sensor, our camera sensor, as well as our speaker phones have all been nicely allowed their own cutouts up at the front so that none of them are obstructed in any way, shape, or form. If we look over at the left side of the case, we can see that our silent button has been nicely tucked away behind this little flap to prevent any sort of debris from getting in there while still remaining fully accessible, right? In addition to that, we can see that our volume up and volume down buttons are nicely labeled. Didn't have to, but it's very nice attention to detail. At the very bottom, we can see two slots for our speakers as well as a flap to cover our charging port to prevent any sort of debris from getting in there. And on the very right side of the phone, we have our power button as well as a power icon. Very nice attention to detail. Poetic didn't have to do that, but it's nice for them to do that, right? And if we can just feel the case all over, it has very nice feel to it. It has just a slight give to it on the sides, just ever so slight. However, this is a very sturdy case. You're not ever going to forget that. It feels sturdy in the hand, and it definitely feels like you can chuck this across the room, and the iPhone is going to be very nicely protected. On the back of the case, you can see that we have a very aggressive bump protecting our cameras to prevent them from getting damaged or scratched. And can you guys just take a second and really, really appreciate that nice clearness that you can still see that blue color of the iPhone. I'm a huge, huge fan of that because these are nice colors, right? These are nice devices. If the phone was ugly, yeah, I'd see, go ahead and cover it up. But it's a beautiful device, especially with the glass back. It really does it justice to just throw something clear on it and let it shine. One of my concerns with these very nice and sturdy cases is that typically, obviously, your phone's going to be very nicely protected, right? However, that tends to come at the cost of mobility or accessibility to your buttons. So let's go ahead and see. Oh yeah. Volume down, volume up, and power button. So they all remain fairly clicky, they all remain fairly accessible. Again, that's usually a concern of mine, but that's not the case here. There's no sort of mobility that is being compromised or sacrificed in order to have a very nice and sturdy case. Now, what if you absolutely cannot stand the touch, feel, or sight of polycarbonate on your screen, right? What if you just absolutely hate that? What if you just like, Paul, I hate that. It just looks like plastic to me. It's okay, don't worry. It comes with a separate faceplate, right? So what do I mean by that? Well, let me show you. Poetic has thought of that and they've included a separate faceplate in there, right? So that you can include your own screen protector. You can include your own tempered glass screen protector so that you don't have to choose between having a very nice and sturdy case that showcases the beauty of your phone and having your screen nice and protected, right? So that we can see that the bezels are very nicely left alone, so you still have plenty of room for any sort of screen protector. That was one of my concerns way back when I first started with this company. However, if you can watch one of our previous videos up here, you can see that's absolutely no concern. The case accommodates the screen protector just fine. Go ahead and let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on Poetic? Make sure to be subscribed so that you guys can be entered into the giveaway for the Apple Droid Tab 2 tablet. The moment I reach 750 subscribers, I am going to be giving one of these tablets away. All you have to do is comment and be subscribed so you can be entered into the giveaway. And as always, thanks for watching.